Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. So we're out on a lovely evening. Al is on camera. How you doing, Al?
I'm good, Dom, thank you.
Excellent. Right, our friends at OMP Hobby have sent me the S720. Literally takes minutes to, if not seconds, to put together. You get everything that you need in the box to fly this, less the double A's you need to put in the controller, the transmitter here. So you don't need any glue to put this together. You only need the screwdriver to put the spinner on the brushless motor with the propeller. Otherwise, the wings and the tailplane just click in place. Simple as that. So what have we got on the controller? We got obviously the sticks for roll, pitch and throttle and rudder. It's 3 channels. That's right, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 channels. What am I saying? 4 channels. And on the controller you have got normal and sport modes and a trick button. Now we've read the instructions, they do lack a little bit in translation, but I think we'll figure this out as we fly it. Shall we give it a go, Al?
Sounds good.
Alright, here we go. OMP S720.
Your ailerons level there? Yeah, everything goes the right direction. Lovely.
Think so? Alright. So we'll start off in normal mode. Easy enough. Just do some nice circuits to get used to it. So I've changed into sport mode. So I think that was preventing me from rolling inverted. It was stabilised, but not letting me roll inverted, whereas now I can. Right, should we try that trick button now?
Yeah, it did suggest you wanted a little bit of height to do that, Dom, in the instructions, to be fair. 2 seconds it says hold it for.
Right, so we'll go over there. Coming back, holding it down.
Oh. So did it loop itself?
I think it did.
And dare I ask how it flies inverted?
Shall I try?
Yeah.
See if it does. Sustained inverted flight.
Look at that! Oh, you're showing off now.
That's pretty good, isn't it, for something that's out of the box?
Yeah.
I mean, a beginner won't do this, but...
Something like this dog.
How's that?
Yeah, nice and low. Waiting for a dog to snatch it out of the air.
Make a great chew toy, won't it?
flies so well upside down.
I think that's pretty good. So it's not for a beginner. You'll break it if you know, if you've never flown something radio controlled before. You would. It's a second plane. So if you have got the muscle memory, would you call it, Al?
Yep.
You know, you've got your orientation right. You know what the stick does and how the plane reacts when you move the sticks. Then you could move up to this as a second plane, as a kind of first aerobatic plane. And then you could use it on normal mode to begin with. It won't let you roll inverted. And then move to sport mode, and it'll allow you to do aerobatics. Fantastic. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to grab hold of one. And yeah, pretty impressed for what it does, and you get everything that you need in the box. So thanks for watching this one. If you've enjoyed this Essential RC video, then please give us a thumbs up. It does make a huge difference. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this one. Thanks to Al on camera. We'll see you for the next one soon. Cheers, bye.
Something like this dog.
How's that?
Yeah, nice and low. Waiting for a dog to snatch it out of the air.